Alright, time for the assignment, transformations via functions. The first ones you do the transformation, you describe it in words in addition to drawing it. Notice how I wrote the function here, and this is the function for a counterclockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise rotation. And so, to do this guy, you're going to just take your points here, interchange them, and make y the opposite of what it used to be. So this one actually is going to put it right there. Oops. Yeah. Makes it 1, -1 instead of -1, -1. So there's my t prime, and g prime is right there, and b prime is going to be over here. B prime, because when you do the transformation, you get the new spots here. If you want to take it point by point, G was at -3, -1. Now he's at 1, -3. B was at -3, -5. Now he's going to be at 5, -3. So that's how we got those new ones. Just following the function. This one is a translation, and it's doing a right 3 and down 2. So you take everything right 3, down 2. There's going to be my x prime, there's my I prime, and there's my E prime. I got my 3 points, connect them up, and you're all done. You don't need to leave this part here, though. Moving on to the next one. This transformation of just making the opposite signs for your coordinates is a 180 degrees rotation about the origin. And so all you have to do is just interchange make the signs for all your coordinates the opposite. So m was at 1, -2, now it's -1, 2. X is at 3 and -3, so it's going to be -3, 3 for my x prime. J is at -2, -3, so it's going to go to 2, 3 for its new point. E is currently at -2 and -4, so if you make both of those the opposite sign, you'll get 2, 4, and you're looking at it right there. There's E prime, and we got our lovely shape all drawn. Moving on to 4, this particular transformation is also a rotation. It's a 90-degree rotation, but this one is a clockwise rotation. And so you're going this way for your rotation. Just follow the function here. You got I has its original coordinates of -1, 2. I'm going to flip those around and make the x1 the opposite sign. So it used to be -1, now it's going to be +1, so I got the point 2, 1 for my I prime. There's my I prime. A is currently at -5, 1. When I do my transformation, I'm looking at 1, 5, 1, 5. A prime is going to be there. J is currently at -5, 5. So when I do my interchange and do the sign change, I'll get 5, 5 for my new point there. There's going to be J prime, and I got my 3 points. Connect them up, all done. 5, this one's just going to be a translation, because noticing adding, subtracting, that's a translation. You're going to go left 4, and you're going to go up 1, and so left 4, up 1. It's going to put Q right there. There's my Q prime. U is going to be right there, so there's U prime. L, left 4, up 1, L prime is going to be right there. And I got my new image from my pre-image. And 6 is got this funky looking function here of interchanging the functions. Interchanging the coordinates. That is a reflection over the line y equals x. And so that line is going right there from low right to low left to high right. And you're just basically taking these guys, transferring it right over the that line there. And to do it, you just interchange the coordinates. Y was at -3, 0, so it's at 0, -3 for the new one. There's y prime. G was at 0, -2. Now it's going to be at -2, 0. And M was at -3 and -4. Now it's going to be at -4, -3. Nope. And there's going to be M prime. And we got our lovely triangle. Looks really similar to the first one. But yeah, gets it done.